Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to print a Microsoft Excel workbook as a PDF file format. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left corner of the Excel workbook and go down and select Print on this left panel here. Underneath Printer, click on the drop down here and select Microsoft Print to PDF, and then select the Print button. Appears I actually have to have something in the workbook that is worth printing. So let me go ahead and do that one more time and select Print. And it's going to prompt you or ask you where you want to save this. So if you want to save it to the Documents folder, you can, or you could save it to the desktop. So I'm just going to type in Excel example and select OK. And once that's done, if I close out of here, and I'm going to save my changes. You see there's a PDF that's now on our desktop here. And if we go ahead and open it up with a PDF reader, you should see that it should open up just fine. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.